And that's basically why we chose the Mevea simulation solution for our use cases right here. So we looked in different solutions, and basically what we found is that software that is made for training simulators is ticking most of the boxes that we need. So let's say traditional multi-body simulation software is too slow. You do not have the bulk material interaction in a very efficient way. If you think about discrete element modeling, one of the bucket filling applications might take several hours of calculation time. In our case, we want real-time capability and can live with certain degradations in accuracy. Yeah, and basically, once we added together with Mevea the exteroceptive sensors and got some interfaces going, this software was basically ticking all the boxes for our requirements right here.
So with Mevea environment simulation, we have been able to add a very good covering and advanced setup to our sequence of testing, where we start from unit testing through integration testing and automated system testing to the actual simulator testing, where we are able to utilize, for example, customer mine directly with our system.
I'm responsible for the development for the remote control solution, and especially for cranes. It could be harbor cranes or industrial cranes. So in short, remotely controlling a crane. My other responsibility is simulation. And within simulation, we try to build a digital twin of a harbor crane and use that in our development or our project solutions or other tools. So we do that already for a long time. But a few years ago, we saw that we want to use it more intensively, that we had gaps and that we are looking for a partner to assist us with certain parts. And we came out to Mevea. We selected Mevea, and mainly based on their accuracy of the crane model. So think of vibrations that occur in the model, the bending of the material, and the accuracy of the model itself. A second reason is that we saw within Siemens that training our end users in our advanced solutions is very important. And we are specialists in automating cranes and make it more automatically the behavior or the controlling, but not in training the operators. And also Mevea is there as a very professional solution for it. And we saw that Siemens and Mevea, the way we were developing at that time, we could integrate both solutions. So the Mevea solution into the Siemens Simo Cranes solutions. So that's the reason why we started the cooperation.